What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Gold is having a really tough week after hitting all-time high above 5,400. We have seen a significant sell-off, and right now price is sitting around 5,100, down over $300 from the top in just a matter of days. But here is the thing: big sell-off creates big opportunities, both on the short side and the potential bounce rates. Today I have three trade setup for March 6th that cover both scenarios. Every entry, stop loss, take profit, all mapped out for you. Let's go. Okay, let's step back and look at the big full picture on the 1 hour chart. Gold had an extraordinary run from the mid 4,800 all the way up to the peak 5,420. That was a multi-week bull trend and it was incredibly strong. Then the first crash hit, price dropped sharply around 5,000 level. We saw a decent bounce back up to 5,200, which gave traders some hope, but that recovery has now failed. Price has rolled over again. As of March 6th, gold is trading around 5,102. Gold is on. Let's now analyze the 5 minute chart. Let's slightly zoom in. On the 5 minute charts, March 5th told a very clear story. Price rallied up to the 5,195 area during the early session. Then we saw a brutal sell-off, stayed down to a low around 5,050. Since then, gold has been trying to recover, but every attempt to push higher has been sold into. Right now, price is grinding sideways between roughly 5,095 to 5,220, a very tight range. The structure on both time frame is bearish, lower highs, failed recoveries, and seller defending every bounce. Keep the context in mind as we look at the trade setup. Let's analyze the key level. Resistance zone is around 5,150. And key supply zone is 5,190. $5,240 to 5,260 is strong overhead resistance. Major supply from the prior consolidation. Support zone 5,095, and then we have another support as 5,050. Then we have support as 5,000. The most important level to understand right now is gold is sitting right on 5,100. If this breaks and price closes below it on 1 hour chart, the next destination is 5,050. If it holds, we could see a bounce attempt toward 5,150. Now let's share the trade ideas that I will be looking for my trade. The first setup is sell the bounce, and given the current bearish structure, this is the highest probability setup for today. The idea is straightforward. Every time gold has tried to rally over the past 48 hours, it has been met with selling. If price pushes up into 5,150 resistance zone and prints a bearish rejection candle, a shooting star, a doji with a upper wick or bearish engulfing, that is your short entry signal. Do not short blindly into the zone. Wait for the rejection candle to form and close. My entry would be around 5,250. My stop loss would be 5,280. My target one would be 5,110. My target two would be 5,075. My target 3 would be 5,030. Trade idea 2, support bounce buy. The second setup is a support bounce buy, and this is the counter trend play for trader who believe the 5095 and 5010 zone will hold. Price is literally sitting on the support zone right now as we record this. The question is whether buyers show up here with conviction. If gold holds above 5095 and we get a strong bullish confirmation candle, a bullish engulfing, or a hammer with a long lower wick, that gives you a buy signal for bounce trade targeting the resistance level above. So my entry would be 5095. My stop loss would be 5070. My target 1 would be 5150. Target 2 would be 5188. Target 3 would be 5230. Now trade idea 3, breakdown sell. The third setup is breakdown sell, and this is the most powerful of the three if it triggers, because it confirms that the bearish pressure is continuing. Here is the scenario. If 5095 to 5010 support zone fails to hold and we get a clean 1 hour candle close below 5095, that is a breakdown signal. It tells us the bias has been overwhelmed and gold is likely heading to test 5050. So let's share my entry, stop loss, target 1, 2, 3. So my entry would be 5093 after 1 hour candle close. My stop loss would be around 5122. My target 1 would be 5055. My target 2 would be 5020. My target 3 would be 4980. All right, let's wrap it up for March 6th. Here are your 3 trade setups. Sell the bounce, entry would be around 5150. Trade idea 2, support bounce play, entry would be around 5095. Breakdown sell, entry would be below 5093 after 1 hour candle close. The overall bias on gold today is bearish, lower highs on the 1 hour, failed recovery attempts, and seller controlling the narrative. Trade with that context, setup 1 and setup 3 are aligned with the trend. Setup 2 is the counter trade if the support holds. Be cautions and take profit quickly on that. If this breakdown was helpful, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you get those daily gold analysis as soon as they drop. Leave a comment below which setup are you focusing on today. I read every comment and reply to as many as I can. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video. Good luck out there.